Hello, Shakal. It's been a while. What made you think of me today?
I always keep thinking of you, my friend. I just wanted to ask a small favor from you today. He is my longtime sworn enemy, Rudra, the grandson of Jai Singh Chauhan. They all want to have this New Year party here, and I am not a fan of this party. I don't want them to party.
Shakal. The enemy you face is also my enemy. No worries, my friend. I will do just as you say. Oh, hello, Rudra. My name is Trioga. You kids, hurry up and quickly get out of here. Didn't you all hear? There won't be any sort of celebration here today.
There will be a celebration.
Baiska, treat disappearo. Baiska, free place change.
Rudra, no matter how hard you try, it's of no use. Because this tree won't even move an inch without my command. If you really want to move the tree, instead of flying, you must climb the tree and meet me on the top. Nobody has ever been able to climb the tree so far.
Trioga, never doubt Rudra's age and Rudra's magic.
So today is the day. Let's see if Rudra will be able to keep his word or not. See you. Bye-bye.
Come on, guys. We cannot let him spoil our new year.
How is Rudra doing so far?
Let's land on that thick branch of the tree.
What kind of trouble is this? How are we going to reach the top?
Let's try again. The bird has come back. Hurry up and fly.
If you do good, good will come to you. Faster!
Baiska, air frizo.